So this is what I have to live with. Do you hear it? He does this all night long. Snoring. Snoring. It's so funny. And he's gonna watch this tomorrow and kill me. And he's just holding me and snoring. And he's dead to the world. And I could listen to music or watch TV and he would never know. I was even reading him something and he didn't know. I had to be like, were you sleeping? And he was, while I was reading something to him. He's so funny. Listen to that snoring. And this is only a minute of it. It goes on forever. It's so funny. Have a good night. Peace and love.